Yo, Jano. Big idiot thing the man them keep up on the shrimp man rasta. My hide my weedy eye them. Just cross my mind and I have to talk about it. A big idiot thing that. Yo, the day before me I watch the news in here. And I see the man I talk about him shrimp business and it just somehow remind me of Forrest Gump, you know? There's a black brother there with the day of Vietnam with Forrest. You know, and him a talk about him crab, him shrimp business. Sorry, the Crabman remind me of the shrimp man. You know, him just remind me of the brother in a Forrest Gump with him crab rasta. You know, see it? The man have all sort of plan for him crab them, crab this, crab that. He might tell you from when he come with him crab them, to him crab them. John, my brother say better if him did raise some guinea fowl rasta. You see, the guinea fowl them would make beer nice. And some guy couldn't get fair, you know? Mess up the thing like that. You know, see. But while me attack, what me I gonna do? Conveniently, I take it back to where it all begin. You see, I'm sure no what go on, you know, in the background. See? I saw the trees, you know. See? One of them type of tree there. We have. But we have to watch the progress, because progress kind of slow. You don't see it, so really, we don't get to put it in the video them yet. See? Or we not have to put it in the video them yet. Yeah, man, but my heart goes out to the shrimp man still. You don't see it? Yeah, man. But you don't know. Go and keep the faith, you. I mean the crab man. Why me always call him the shrimp man? Well, I want to see him across station them, so. John, it's not a joke thing, star, but, you know? So you don't know. Crab man, go and keep the faith. You know, see it? And I would advise you to raise some guinea fowl next time. Or something will make nice. You know, see it? It's against every business prospect, you know, if you don't have an alarm by your thing. You know, see it? And if you go, you know, you may as well improvise with the security, because anything can be your security. The thing them, same thing them, where raise can protect themselves same way. You know, see it? So, you don't know. Yeah, man. More blessed, Rasta. It's just like a short thing, you know? Take it back where it all began and thing like that. Oh, what you two dirty pot them in the background, you know? Man, a single man, you know? Man live by themselves, too. When saying so, put it that like that. You see it? Yeah. So I give thanks. So watch nothing. 5 minutes tidy up that. Yeah. So, yes, heart goes out to the crab man. And you don't know. Keep the faith, you. Bless up yourself.